Okay, so are you struggling to have your website show like this on Google? As you can see, here's my website link, and then you can be able to see other site links here. So this makes your website more organized. What you have to do, go to your WordPress dashboard, and then go to the plugin sections here. And on the plugin sections, you want to type rank math. So rank math or SEO, okay? So I'd prefer rank math, but also you can use just SEO. So just type rank math, and then make sure you have installed the plugin. After you install the plugin, I want you to do this. Just go to Rank Math SEO dashboard and then finalize the onboarding stage. After you have finalized the setup wizard, click the sitemap settings and you'll be able to see the sitemap for your website. So there you can be able to see something which is saying your sitemap can be found here. Just click the sitemap link, get the sitemap link URL, then go to sitemaps, and on Google Search Console, just click sitemaps here. Then here you can add your sitemap and then click submit. Once you've submitted your sitemaps, your pages will be processed in a nice way, and also your website will be able to portray like this. Thank you.